It is here. This is not a task chair. This is the Dominion box fan. I'm actually pretty happy with the packaging that they did on it. Appears to not have been roughed up at all. That makes me very happy. And I'm also not going to be able to open it one-handed. Alright, and here we are. Now this is the later version, I believe from the 60s. It does not have the shroud. And it has the red emblem instead of the all blue one. 2-speed. Switch appears to cycle correctly. Plastic handle. This I was a little concerned about in the pictures, but it looks like it's dirt and not rust, so that's really, really good. A little bit of rust on the top, but that's nothing I'm worried about. So, these are the pinnacle of vintage fans. Dominions are the best vintage fans that were made, and I had one years ago when I collected, but the problem was the cord needed replaced, which no big deal, right? Well, okay, where was I? So I had bought one years ago. Cord needed replaced, no big deal. I've replaced dozens of cords. Well, when I disconnected the cord from the switch, the cord that runs down to the actual motor itself literally crumbled to pieces. And while I was able to get it rewired, no matter what I did, the motor would run so hot you couldn't touch it. And I was not comfortable risking burning up the motor, and I was never able to figure it out, so I passed it on to somebody else who knew a little bit better. And then when we moved, most of my vintage fans went on to another collector because the wife made me get rid of most of my projects that I wasn't going to finish. So this is the first one I've bought for quite a while. There are a few cracks in the wire, but it's not something that I'm that worried about right now. The fan grill is tight. That's my main concern. So hit that with an air duster after we power it up. But let me go plug this in and let's see what this thing does. All right, high first.
There's a few phones on it. Hey, Evie. Evie, guess what? You want to be my best friend? Yeah. I will say it. I will say it. And you want me to be, and I'll be your best friend. I will share. Say yay! Yay! You're not 4 yet. Yes, I'm 4. Daddy, Evie's not 4, right, Daddy?
No, she's not.
No, you're not. Daddy, say no, you're not. I'm not, Sonny. Daddy,
It's a minute spin down. 1 minute, almost 1 minute exactly. Oh, that was everything I was hoping for, except for children being loud. So let me give you a close-up of the startup, because this thing just sounds incredible. And the spin down on it is over a minute. This is why Dominion fans are the best. I absolutely love this thing. I am getting a little bit of a rattle, but I'm pretty sure it's because a child stuck something into the blade bay, and I haven't just found it yet. But it's such a smooth runner. I love it. I absolutely love it. This is absolutely what I was hoping it would be. So, thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the not too common, beautiful startup sound of a Dominion box fan from the 1960s. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.